Hey guys, welcome to another video from Gear Kit. Today we will be talking about some inconceivable, special, and interesting washing systems made to be used for really heavy-duty vehicles. So watch the video till the end without skipping because this video is going to be really special. Interclean equipment. In the mining sector, every single hour is determined as cash. However, sometimes the gigantic working machines need a break and to get cleaned. For a 400-ton haul truck, it takes about 4 to 6 hours to clean, which is exorbitant also. But with the help of Interclean system, downtime of mining vehicles can be reduced significantly. This system cleans all kinds of dirt and mud in a single go by using very minimal water that results in a considerable decrease in ongoing maintenance cost. Finfinite washing equipment. Finfinite is the innovator in developing high-pressure units, pressure washers, pumps, and accessories. These are helping mining companies to clean their heavy-duty vehicles, including super large dump trucks. By using the water gun system, the workers can, without much of a stretch, shift the flow from stream to cone head to securely and efficiently wash all external parts of the vehicle. For hard-to-reach points, Finfinite offers an assortment of exceptionally customized water blasters. A heavy-duty vehicle is washed with a pressure of 3,000 psi, which is double of a regular vehicle wash system. Transport wash systems. Military activities and other operations are loaded with mud, dust, and dirt. Tanks and other military vehicles need an appropriate wash each time, so they are completely operational for the next day. The automatic pass-through striker offers a speedy, however, complete wash solution for military vehicles. For a tank, all that's needed is 45 seconds to give a touchless, profound wash, and furthermore, with that, it reuses 90% of the wash water. This aids in saving water and restores the vehicle's splendor with a new sparkle. Automatic car wash. The car wash system that you're watching on the screen is called AXE. It is equipped with an advanced intelligent detection system. The whole washing process is controlled by a computerized system that saves labor costs and improves work efficiently as well. When the car enters the washing area, LED signs and a voice system guides drivers to park the vehicles in the proper position. During a high-pressure rinse, spray nozzles can concentrate water flow to produce a water knife. These are designed according to complex hydrodynamics and are produced by high-precision CNC lathes. Interclean Train Wash. Interclean using the state-of-the-art cleaning innovation to perform a mix of touchless and friction-free cleaning. The train doesn't need to stop while being washed as the touch-free cleaning features of this system arrives at places that brushes can't. Water reusing for wash, spot-free rinse production, high-efficiency motors, pH monitoring, and wash water control are all environmentally friendly features. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have anything in mind about this video, please write below in the comment section. Share the video with friends and feel free to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification. Thanks for watching. See you in another video. Take care.